In order to resize out your photos, you can also use Guided Resize Your Photo option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the guided section right here. And then over here, you can see Resize Photo is an option. So I'm just going to go around over here and it'll give me the tools that allows me to resize out the photo right here. So over here, you can see that there's a photo that I have right here, and you can select an output option, whether be it for web or print right here, as you can see. Let me just select web because I want this for screen, and you can go around and select a size option. So you can go for short as right here or long as, and depending on that, you can set the pixel right here. So I'm just going to go around and say this is going to be 600 pixels right here. And then you can go around and apply. And what happens is that the image will be resized accordingly. Let me just go around and undo this out right here. And you can see that you get the default size again. So let me just go around, hold Alt and use the scroll mouse button to zoom out. So now let's say I want this photo to be more for print. So in that case, you can go for print and then you can select out, let's say, exact size of the photo over here as well. And you can shrink to fit as well if you want to, if you don't want any crop. But I'm just going to go around and preview this, and you can see that this is how it looks. So once you're happy with the previewed output, you can go around and press the checkmark button, and here you can see that it is applied right here. So now you can click next, and then you can go around and continue editing in quick or expert mode, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can use the Guided Resize Your Photo mode inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.